عسلامة. اليوم الكلاسيك كار شو معروف في كيركلين، اللي كراهب من لي زاني 30 و 40 و 50 و 60. حبيت نوريكم شوية. اوكي. هذه 1957. شو المال كيفاش كان؟ 1957.
Look at the tailpipe.
فوالا.
You remember the name Dewey Burback? Mason's already walked off. He's looking at cars. I can't see ever.
هذه 1965 كادي. موديل ديفايل 1965. هذه 1959. معها كل موبل هون. هذه 1970 نوفا. هذه كاستم ميد 1970. In 1967. Chevrolet 1967. هذه أحسن واحدة عجبتني 1955. أنا كل ما فيه السمبول نتاع الطيارة يعجبني. دونك هذه 1955. lovely. No, برشا.
Where on the Chevys? Where's the spot to look for the rust? Is it the rear suspension?
The rust, well, depending on the floor panel.
1967. 1962 هذه.
Joe said he wanted to. My brother or my son has a.
وبيان سور اسوامهم غاليه برشا على خاطر ما عادش موجودين.
Yes.
As I was strolling down the street here on Lake Street, right in front of Upfront Realty, I was walking by a 1955 DeSoto convertible that had one of the most gorgeous women I've ever seen sing. She was having her picture taken. They looked like a perfect match. Rod Smith, Rod Sutton, you leave this car unattended. Is that what happened? Come back and the beautiful women are sitting in it? Tell us about this car.
$1959 Cadillac. الشو هذا معروف من أكبر لي شو في أمريكا نتاع الكلاسيك كارز between 1930 1959. طيارة هذيك الكحلة الكاديلاك حلوة برشا.
What's going on? It's been lowered, so is it just lowered or do you have hydraulic tank?
No, with the fabrication from the area on it, super complicated, and I would recommend with the fabrication.
Everything they touch turns out perfect. This is a car that causes wrecks on the freeway. I would suspect you'd be driving along and people would be paying more attention to your car than what they should be doing. What's it like to just, you must go into any place and everything stops.
هذه 1964 Pontiac.
Safety features, but totally stopped. The material was when we put in 1955. We got like estimated.
The thing I like about DeSoto is like the Chrysler Corporation provided a car to the car that could look like George Barris already had customized.
Vraiment اللي يحب الكلاسيك كارز الشو هذا متعة. كراهب هذا بيان سور ما عادش موجودين.
All the motor parts, just in the spark plug. That's the only thing.
I'm seeing you surrounded by dollar signs that are fleeting away.
That part doesn't make any difference.
1956
Well, this car makes a big difference
Chevy.
at the show. It's one of the most beautiful cars here. So, Rod Sutton, thank you very much for bringing out your 1956 DeSoto Fire Dome convertible.
Thank you.
1961 هذه Chrysler. Nineteen 1938 Go ahead. Thank you.
Oh, Daddy! Yeah. Look at that car.
That is so cool. Stand right there. All right.
Is it yours? Oh, it's a nice car. Wow.
Hey, another sponsor is called Soil Freeze. They're a specialty construction company that they freeze the ground for entirely and shoring it up. So if you have any need of that, Soil Freeze is the place to go. We thank them for stepping up to help sponsor. Again, we can't say enough about the Kirkland Downtown Association. They helped put this whole thing on. So let's give them a little yahoo out there.
1955.
Come on.
Oh my God.
Coming up at 3 o'clock, we're going to have the award ceremony, and then a little bit later, we should be doing a little dancing in the streets. I'm going to be asking Kirkland's finest, Mr. Alan O'Neill. He is the king of the dance party rocks. I'll tell you.
Wow. Fire Dome.
So cool. Oh my God. هذا واحد من أكبر كلاسيك كار شوز في أمريكا. تعمل كل يوم كل عام جولاي 30 نفس الديت. هذه 1932 1932. هذه 1955 شيفي. مازال مو غادي وعلى اليمين زاد على اليسار زاد ما نجمش نصورهم خاطر برشا. مي انا بوغ افوار اون ايدي على الكلاسيك كار شو في كيركلاند يتعمل كل عام والكارز سو كيوت. What's his name?
Her name is Bailey.
Oh, her name Bailey.
Yeah, his name is Prince.
My son, he wants to buy one. Do you know where they sell them?
Does he want a boy or a girl?
Anything.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. They're so cute, man.
Thank you.
And the stroller, oh my God. So do you have a phone number?
I got them on Craigslist. She's gonna go on sale next week.
Oh, really? Are you selling this one?
Next week.
How much is this one?
Are they for sale?
1200. هذه مليون و200. Wow, oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh my God.
Yeah, no. I think Jenny. Yeah, are the parents gonna get mad?
No.
Okay.
So that's the mom and the dad?
Yeah. That's
Oh my goodness.
Come here. Oh, you're so cute.
So cute. Oh my God. How about the other one? How much?
He's already sold.
He's already sold. Oh my God. What's his name?
His name is Prince.
Prince. He's a prince, yeah.
What's that one's name?
Bailey.
He's the cutest.
Bailey. Oh my God. Oh my God. So cute. And it's for sale.
Mom, yeah. That doesn't work.
That's the right price, 1,000?
Dogs or kids? I don't know, but I know that purebred dogs that typically
They go around. Yeah.
my son's little dog did
1,200.
1,200. Yeah.
1,200. So cute. How old is she?
She's 6 weeks.
6 weeks?
About to be 6 weeks.
Wow. Still a baby, puppy. Huh, yeah? Oh my god. So lovely. So, oh my god, so cute. I will call her princess, this one, if I have her. Yeah, prince and a princess. Thank you very much. Can I have a phone number? My son, he will contact you? Yeah, because we've been looking forever for... Other than these two, do you have other? No, only these two.
This will be the last video.
Okay.
I won't have any more clothes.
So only the girls still for sale. Okay. I will give him the phone number. Thank you very much. That's yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, lovely. هذيك الأم وهذاك البو. So cute. حبلو. Sorry. كهو بالنسبة لليوم ريحة السيجار قوية برشا دونك باش نبعد من هنا. هكا عندكم فكرة على اللي كلاسيك كارز ما بين لي زاني 20 و 70. فوالا. Okay, bye. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.